Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I want to upgrade the RAM of this laptop that I bought. Is the Asus ROG Strix 17 for 2022. I bought it with a 16 gigs of RAM and I want to upgrade it to a 64 gigs of RAM. And here with me is the Keystone 64 gigs of RAM for DDR5 laptop. So it's a DDR5 RAM, so not DDR4. So let's begin. Now to get into the laptop, you need to loose the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4 here, and then you have 3 here, and you have 4 here. Now this screw, you cannot remove this particular one because this is the place where you start to ply the laptop from. So you can easily ply it with a ply tool or anything. You gently ply it around like this and then like this. Then you gently open it, and you'll be very careful because you know it has a LED bar which is on the bottom here, so you don't want to forcefully remove it. So and then you open it. So if you open it backward, so you don't have to do anything. So you don't even have to remove any of the light from the computer. Then the memory is accessible. You have the 2 RAM slot, and then you have you have 2 NVMe slot as well. So I'll be upgrading the RAMs. Like I said earlier, in some systems, when you put the 264 gigs at once, it might not work. You run into a blue screen of dead, while some it will just boot right away. So I'm going to put the 2 of them together and see if it's going to boot right away or if I'm going to run into an issue. But in case you run into an issue, what you just have to do is to remove one of the sticks and then power it on. Once it powers on and recognizes that one, then you can power it off and then insert the second stick of the RAM. Now I've never done this before. I don't know if I'm going to run into an issue. This is DDR5 RAMs. Now in DDR4 RAM, you can see that one side is taller than the other side, but in this one the 2 sides seems to be of the same size. So I don't know how this is going to work out. So let me just do a trial and error method. So let me see. Okay. How do I know which side this is not? Okay, I think this side where the chip is going to face up. I just pray I am doing the right thing. And then on this side, you have to turn it the other way around. So on this one, you have to turn it the other way around. So let me see if this works. I don't know. They should have indicated these things, how you can put it. So I hope this works. Alright, so I'm going to cover it now, and I'm not going to tighten it. So even this place that I removed is not really necessary when you want to upgrade. Okay, wish me luck. And then boom, the laptop booted up. So I think I did it, so I'm going to go in and then check if, so before I'm not fasting the laptop, so it booted very fine. So let's quickly go to the settings. I'm too fast. So so it's showing up 64 gigs of RAM. That is it there, 64 gigs of RAM. So okay, so that's it guys. You see what I did? So I faced the other one. I just followed how it was here on the one that came with the laptop. I faced the other one down and then faced the other side up. So and then it works. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel for more video. Bye.